Hey guys, welcome to day 7 of the vlog. So um, this is the final uh, this is the final day of working on the game, and tomorrow it will just be bug fixing and optimization and little bits of polishing. And game testing and what have you. So the game is finished now. Basically, there are a few things that I had to sort of there were a few things that I sort of left out. Oh, they didn't quite turn out what I expected them to be. So, uh, I think I could have added more scripted events into the game. More specifically, ones involving the main creature. Um, I won't talk about the ones that I did have added because I don't really want to spoil it. But I do feel that I could have added more. Uh, there are a fair few overall effects, like just in general, like a combination of sound and monster and whatever. Overall, there's a fair few. Again, I don't want to spoil um, how many there are or what they actually are. But yeah, I think I've done okay in that regard. But I would have had if I had more time, I probably would have taken the time to create and come up with more um, of the creature encounters. Maybe add some kind of mechanic that was a bit more active, so he would follow you around actively and you have to avoid him. Maybe have a health meter of some kind. I would do that. I didn't manage to implement the save system because that's again, it's just sort of time constraints. Thinking about it now that I've added everything, I didn't really need to have a save system. I think it's something that you can boot up and jump in and just play and complete fairly quickly, actually. So it doesn't really matter in comparison to Joel's game, because he's got a large map and it involves collecting notes across this large map. So it might actually take you a fair few attempts if you want to come back and try and get all of the notes and complete the game. Whereas I don't think that's the case here. But yeah, I've added all the key cards and all the locked doors. I'm not going to. They're all in here, so you can't actually see them. But I'm not going to show you those because I don't want to spoil anything. Only on 3 minutes. I don't really know what to talk about here. Yeah, I did. Like I said, I've added more events. Not so you can see the map. Oh yeah, I'll go into here. So the ending cutscenes are fully finished now. So that's fully animated now. These two do the same thing. They take you to the same place. I have fade in and fade out, so the scenes fade in and fade out from each other, which is nice. I'll just demonstrate that on the main menu, actually. If I sound a bit, I don't know, if I sound a bit unenthusiastic or slow, it's because I'm just really tired. I think I'm kind of burnt out on Unity now. Oh, okay, I'll turn this down a bit because it might be a bit loud. But yeah, that's the main menu. I'll just replay it so you can see the transition. So it fades in like that. And then you press new game, it fades out. So since I don't have the save and load mechanics, I've just basically removed those entries from the menu. This little thing just remains the same like as before. These should all have colliders now. It kind of just depends on each one, really, whether they do have colliders or not. Of course, I'll check that tomorrow. So tomorrow I'll be packaging the game and I'll be testing it. on this, on Joel's computer, and my Windows tablet, which is just like, what's it? It's like 2 gigahertz, 2 gig of RAM. So I'll test that on the lowest settings and how I can improve the performance from there. I don't know how much I'll get done because I'm going to sort of see some family tomorrow. I'm not only going across the country or anything, but I might be at their house for quite a while. So I don't know. I don't know what I'll get done tomorrow, really. Yeah, the map it's not entirely clustered up, but I've added the crates and I made like a little girder model. So I've added those in a few places. Added some more lights and things. Not too many, of course, because I've got to keep it dark. And you might have noticed the little thumbnails that I made. That's just the one I did for the day 1 and 2. They're that one's for today's. It's just a Photoshop thing. I thought it'd be kind of nice to do for my videos. So after this and tomorrow's video, if I do decide to do it, then I think I'm going to start doing some Unity tutorials. It's something I've wanted to do for a while, but we've just been at college and only sort of finished this month. Actually, I finished college this month, so I've got a hell of a lot more time to do stuff like that if I want to. So yeah, that's what I'll be doing over the summer. So if you have anything specific that you want to do, that you want me to like cover, then just put it in the comments. I'll give you a message or something. But some ideas. I don't think I'll do continuous series like other video makers do, like Quill18 and Brackews. I don't think I'll do anything like that. I'd rather just do sort of one-off things that you can just hop into without having to have an existing project. I think those work best, especially if the person looking at the tutorial has an ongoing project already, because it's a bit annoying when you're trying to find something out and then just like a bunch of other videos and you don't understand what the hell's going on. So I think I'd rather do something like that. So some ideas for what I'm going to do include serialization and save systems. So I'm quite interested in how to look into that. How to make some pause, how to make like a pause mechanic. I'll show you how I did that in the game, and sort of some basic menus and such, shifting between scenes and things like that. So pretty basic stuff, and then as I learn more stuff, then I can create more tutorials. So yeah, that's pretty much it. The game is done now, and I will be polishing it all up and debugging and whatever tomorrow. So yeah, thank you for watching throughout this little series over the week I've done. If you haven't already, go check out Joel's. I'll link his in the description. I think he's got a playlist with all his videos on, so I'll just link that. So yeah, thanks for watching and goodbye.